What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, that hood coming. I'm waiting on that hood, man. I'm waiting on that hood, boy. Big Meat's hood coming, man. I want to show y'all. I'm ready to see it. Cause Glasstek hood, man. The hood fastener supposed to come. Everything the same day, man. I'm gonna be so anxious to get the hood on the car, man. I'm telling you, ready to get the hood on the car. Ready to see it. Cause it was expensive, but I'm ready to see it, man. But when it get here, man, I'm gonna turn y'all on, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it, man. We got that hood. Got that hood. Glasstek. Yeah. Shout out Cuzzo, man. Y'all know Cuzzo done crept up over here. You know how we do. I'm finna take this joke out the box. Gotta be careful with this, man. This thing here, the hood. It's not cheap, man. So let's see what this thing looking like, man. So, I'm gonna bust it out the box, then I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get this thing out. They got it in a like a little wood crate kind of like setup. So with that box cutter. That's our wood right there. Ooh, this cover up good. I need some good little paint on it. Get in there. Ooh, woo. Oh yeah. That's it there. Fold that. Oh yeah, this is it. This is how cow hood's supposed to look. Ooh, that's just white, boy. Hey, they got it in here too, boy. Shout out to Glasstek. You spend your money though, they gonna do it right. Shit, should I take this joker out like this? Or should I leave it in there? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in there, so we'll leave. Cause we gotta take it over to Lawless anyway, but I'm gonna let y'all see. Look at it. That joker look good. See, that's how it's supposed to be. Start from the top, come all the way back. Then they gonna touch the windshield. Cause I told them I wanted to touch the glass. So that's why they cut it like that. Gonna touch the glass. So, oh yeah, we is in the game. Meats finally got the right hood. That other one, it coming up off of there. Box Chevy Cowl hood, man. Shout out to Glasstek. They did a hell of a job, man. This joke here is nasty. When wifey get back, man, I'm gonna take it in the put on the back of the truck. Go ahead and take it over to Lawless. Then the fasteners came too. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what kind of fasteners. I got them big fasteners. Cause you can use them old style hood pins, but I said this thing here cost too much to be playing around like that. So I got these right here. These hood fasteners. They're gonna be in the corner. Then they're gonna paint. They're gonna stand out right now. They're gonna be black. But then these the kind you can paint over. There y'all go, so y'all can really see. So they're gonna be right there. Like that. Let's see. I'm gonna show you the picture. This how they look. Arrow catch. So these right here, that's them. So they gonna latch. Gonna put them right there. Let's see. Here we go. So it's gonna be one right there in the corner. Then one up there in the back corner. Then one in that corner, one in that corner. And then they gonna latch down. They sit flush. Like I said, they about this big. Y'all can see. Then they gonna sit flush in the hood though. And then you can paint over them. Then you got the latches. These right here, peace of mind, man. So you ain't got to worry about your hood flying off, car. This right here, just, it's too expensive, man. This ain't no $400 or $500 hood. So I ain't trying to have it fly off, man. This junk cost $1,500 to have the hood made. So we are, but I got to have, I needed one. So I get that. Then we get the fenders. Get 2 new fenders. And I think that'll be it. Gonna get 2 new fenders, man. That'll be it, man. We'll be about ready. Oh, the bumper filler. The bumper filler. We'll be pretty much ready to paint. So when wifey get back, man, I'm throw this up on the back of the truck, run over there Lawless, and then when they ready for it, they'll take it out the crate. Cause I don't even wanna take that out, man. I don't wanna risk nothing happen to the joke. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, we back from Lawless, man. We down there kicking it, tripping out. Went and checked out Cuzzo car, and we dropped the hood off and the fasteners. The fastener. What I showed? Yeah, I showed y'all the part. Man, I'm so ready to put that hood on that car. I'm so ready to put that hood on that car. It ain't even funny, man. Cause I know it. Boy, it finna be nasty. Meat's gonna be nasty with that hood on it, man. Especially a hood that done the right way, and it's a whole lot lighter. Boy, hey, we finna levitate. We finna levitate for real. So we got the hood. We got the hood in now. Shout out to Glasstek for that hood, man. That hood is A1, no steak sauce, man. I'm gonna have to call them and tell them they did a good job, cause hey, that hood on point. They got it to me in a timely manner. Like I said, you wanna know the price of it? It was $1,500. It was $1,500 for that hood. I think it was $17 shipped. You know you gotta pay that shipping that high, but it was $1,500 the cost to make it. Glasstek, they free promo for them, man. They did a good job. I'm putting y'all on the good stuff. They do hood for any car. Like I had to have that custom made, but that's a box Chevy hood. It's one piece. Like it ain't nobody done riveted nothing down. It's one big piece of fiberglass. It got the body lines in it right. It looked like a factory box Chevy hood, man, and it touched the hood. I mean, it gonna touch the window. I could have made it with don't touch the window. I told them I want to touch the glass. So they just gonna hit that glass, boom. Cause I ain't got no windshield wipers. Rain-X, this and that. I'm about to, before I change that hood, matter of fact, I'm finna hit my boy Big Lat up today, get a price up. Right now, I'm gonna hit him up, get a price on the windshield. Go ahead and get the windshield put in ahead of time, so then they ain't got to worry about taking the hood completely off and all this stuff. Cause when it's on, it's on. It ain't time to pop no hood yet. It ain't time, man. It ain't gonna be time to pop that hood until about a year. A year later, man. I ain't popping no hood until about a year later. I'm sorry. What the world, boy? I don't want no squirrels. I know I still be on the hunt for that coyote, man. But yeah, we got the hood. We got the hood in. We got the shocks in. What else? Hood, we got the shocks. Man, what we waiting on? Oh, the roll bar. I didn't even ask Jesse if we got the anti-roll bar. I ain't even asked him if it's in yet, but we gonna see. But hey, I want to show y'all that. I wanted to take it out, but y'all will see it. Y'all see it even better once it's on the car. Then all I'm gonna have to get is I'm gonna get the bumper fillers. I might try to order them tonight. New bumper fillers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and find 2 new fenders. And I think meats will be pretty ready. Cause I kept my side molding for the door. But I think meats will be pretty much ready, piecey wise for paint. I put new trunk lock in. Y'all see me and wifey did that. We got new trunk lock in, so we'll be about ready, man. Be about ready then. CJ Hall, Car gonna be the same color. It ain't gonna be no secret with that. Car gonna always be that color. It's gonna always have that look. I gotta get that. I'm gonna have to get that. I'm gonna have to get that top taken off. So I'm gonna have to get that top taken off so I can have that. Let him do his thing under the hood with the body work and stuff. Cause I know we're gonna have to do that. Then I'm gonna have, after J Hall do that, underneath, I'm gonna get somebody to come in, put me a fresh top on there, same color, gold, and then after that, we're gonna let him just go, J Hall go over that thing, exact same color, be back in the game, man. And I gotta order 2 headlight lenses, cause we gotta put the high beam LEDs in there too. So yeah, it's coming. Next week, but next week, man, y'all see that hood on the car. That hood will be on this car next week. Best believe that. Let me see it. I feel like it's blowing. Will be on, man. So like I said, shout out to Glasstek. Appreciate Cuzzo helping me out with the hood and stuff too, man. And like I said, y'all know I went ahead and in this vlog too, I went ahead and added that the trailer part in. Since y'all, I forgot to do that footage and show y'all that while I wrestled with that trailer axle, man. I knew this vlog gonna be short, so I added that in too to show y'all that. But yeah, that's it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.